Welcome to another midweek update video. These videos are for teammates, patrons, sponsors and YouTube members. Your support, as always, is hugely appreciated. Thank you very much. Right, when am I recording this? Bang on 8 o'clock on a Sunday evening. Yes, on target. First of all, a massive thank you to Robert Davies and Jack Newmeyer. Hope I pronounced that right. Thank you so much for your donation towards the sponsorship for the rally trip meter, and all those that have sponsored so far. Honestly, amazing. We are getting so close to me, genuinely looking at buying that meter so that we can practice before our next hero rally, and maybe some other stuff as well. But hey, that's for the future. Right, should we crack on with Dads BINI Cooper S? Yeah, I've assembled the near side front suspension, but I couldn't find the shock tower to hub bolt. I really struggled to find where I'd put it. Normally I'm quite organised. I found it in the rust removing bath that I've been using to clean engine parts and nuts and bolts, and completely forgot that I'd put it in there. It must have been in there for about a month. And when I looked at it, I went, yeah, I don't think I trust that on the front suspension of a competition car, let alone a road car. So I bought a new one. Quite expensive. It was £7 just for that one bolt, but safety, isn't it? Anyway, so now it's got brand new hubs, which include the wheel bearings. It's got a bottom swivel point joint. It's got 2 brand new wheel speed sensors on each side, mainly because I had to, they get stuck and I've had to drill them out to refurb the hubs. But anyway, that's all good. It's all assembled, not torqued up. Specifically, the hubs come with these big wheel nuts that you have to crimp once you've torqued them. I haven't torqued them and I haven't crimped them. So please remind me about that before I take it for its first test drive. So in theory, now I could drop it to the ground. It would be a rolling project, which is that was my goal for this week. But I'm not going to do that because there's still a lot of gizmos and gadgets that still need reattaching or bolting on, and it's much easier while the car's in the air. So the Rally Mini. Yeah, I've been working on the other side.
The other side? What are you talking about?
I've removed both seats now. They're upstairs in the spare room. Sorry, Catherine.
You see, it's always the same.
But I might as well show you. Yep, so look, all the seats are out. Took this window out as well for convenience, and I've marked up and drilled the pilot holes ready for the inspection hatch, similar to that I've done on the other side. Oh yeah, look, I've just mocked up the fuel tank for this side, but just like that, I've removed all the brackets that I had on the other side. It takes a while to do that, but as you can see, look, woo, literally did that this afternoon. Cut it all out to the entertainment of my neighbours, using a variety of tools. And now all I need to do is clean it all up, offer up the replacement panel, and make the filler panels, because obviously just like before, I've got to create a new bit of floor and the top of the arch as well. But that's great, and those little bits I can do. It doesn't make any noise, does it, cutting cardboard? So I can do that any time of the day.
This is Dreadman. Truly great.
Yeah, there you go. So that's, honestly, this stuff weighs a ton, and I think that is all of the metal cut out. So sometime during the week, I'm gonna stick it all in a carrier bag and just see how much all that weighed. Monte the Mark 1. Yeah, I used him for the Island Wight Car Club forward only auto test on Saturday. It was at Haven Street Railway car park. It was great fun. Considering it's not, you know, a stripped out performance car and it's only an 1100, we did quite well. I managed to finish 7th overall and 3rd in class. Genuinely quite chuffed with that. However, driving home on some of the bumpy Isle of Wight roads, I did experience a little bit of bump steer, I want to call it that. You know, literally you go over a bump and it'll go, ooh, something's not quite right there. So when I got home, I jacked it up and had a look, and the passenger side bottom arm bush that goes through a pin onto the rear front subframe has perished, and it, you know, when you pulled the hub in and out, you could see that it was sort of moving around. There's no point messing around. I might as well replace both sides. If I've got the parts in stock, I'll hopefully do that this week. It's not a difficult job. Donnie the BINI Cooper convertible. So I plugged my tester into the OBD port, took it for a quick spin up and down our drive, and all 4 wheels are reading, you know, the speed readings, exactly what they're supposed to be doing. So there's nothing wrong there. So I reset the, you know, deleted the code or whatever it is. What's the phrase I'm looking for? Cleared it. I cleared the code, drove it up and down again, and it seems fine. No lights have come on. So I'm gonna stick it in for its MOT this week, or at least try and book it in for an MOT, and then we can use him for the summer. Tool of the week. Tool of the week is this bad boy. It's a DeWalt DCG 420. It's the latest tool that I bought from Lee Morey off the Mac Tools van here on the Isle of Wight. And I've owned these, whatever you want to die grinder bit things, literally for years, but I've only ever used them in a drill. And I've never been impressed with them, not impressed with them at all. I mean, they're okay, but I've never really used them while I've been fabricating. But I was watching another YouTuber, Home Built by Jeff, and he was reviewing his favourite tools of the year, and this was one of them. And I went, you know what, I'm going to give it a go. Stuck that little thing in the end. My goodness, what a game changer that is. It just rips through metal, it really does. And for the job that I'm doing now, which is, you know, basically sculpting metal or grinding down things that are hard access to, this has been perfect. Oh, I wish I'd bought one years ago, I really do. There's all sorts, you know, there's different speeds that you can have on there, but obviously me being me, full power. It's got a light on the end, and it's variable. And the other good news is, not only does it take DeWalt batteries, I bought it as a bare unit because I knew my MacTool 18 volt batteries would also fit. So yes, tool of the week. If you're into your metal fabrication, this is like a Dremel, but the next level. This is man stuff. Alfie update. Hello, Charlie. You like your head being scratched, don't you? Hammy horse. Oh, where's Alfie? Don't know. You do like a lot of attention. Whenever you're around, Charlie calls. Says, come and give me a scratch. You're a very demanding cat. Yes, I am. It's Alfie. Oh, it's Cat Central here today. Come and say hello, mate. Hello, how are you? Just been speaking to Charlie, your girlfriend. He's not my girlfriend. He's my arse. Thanks, mate. All up. There you go. Is that a friendly tail wag? Is that a nervous tail wag? Uh-oh, we've got a cat off. This is a friendly cat off though, isn't it? Next video, I am still editing the MGB GT Hero Rally video footage.
Cursing you
What
with
were
the
you
death
in?
of 1,000
What are you
fleas.
driving?
Well, I'm not.
And it's become really apparent that I'm struggling to edit normal videos for the main channel. This stuff, I absolutely love doing this. I come in, you know, on a Sunday, hopefully. It takes me 3 hours. I talk about what I talk about, and I actually love doing it. But doing it for the main channel, it takes even more time, and it just doesn't seem as fluid as this.
Hey, make sense, man. This thing that's killing your people and mine is from the other side.
So I've got a few ideas how I can go forwards. I'm going to have I'll make a little extra video for our YouTube members and our patrons just to buzz those ideas by you first. But I think things need to change, but we'll see what we can do.
You can't see the eyes of the demon until him come calling.
Right, thank you very much for your support. I really, really do appreciate it. And I will see you next week. Ta-ta for now. Here's my arse. Cheers, mate.